Let's talk about the review meeting. So we're going to review the documents. We prefer to review them by Zoom if possible, because it's so efficient to be able to look at the computer screens at the same time, make changes on the fly, see a misspelling in a word or name or address or phone number. Super simple to change rather than having to print out documents, look at them sideways, upside down, and then there's a mistake and you got to reprint dozens or hundreds of pages. This review meeting via Zoom is very efficient and very effective. So I'll just walk you through what they could look like. Here's just a sample package. And here we've got a trust, kind of got the core provision, some of the intro, name of the trust, who are the trustees, who are the next backup successor trustees. And then you get down to the main event, I call it, which is the dispositive distribution. Let's say everything goes to spouse. And then what happens to your tangible property, like the stuff in your household? The rest of the money, who do you want it to go to? What percentages? And when? Absent any particular provision, typically people are going to inherit at 18 or 21. Might be too early. So maybe you want to say, let's give them money for health, education, maintenance, and support. Then give them a certain percent per year. And then give them a big chunk at 25 and at 30, 35, 40. We'll talk about the ages and percentages. And let's look at, there'll be a durable power of attorney if you're doing one of our packages. Oops. Right by. This is saying if you're incapacitated, who can make financial decisions. And unlike a short form power of attorney, which are typically like 2 pages long, this is very comprehensive. Ours is typically around 12 pages long right now. Talks about who your backup agents are, their enumerated powers, the power they have over real estate, motor vehicles, stocks and bonds, safe deposit boxes. You get the idea. We'll review the medical power of attorney. And so similar, if you're incapacitated, who has the power to make medical decisions for you, maybe a spouse, then you can name backups after that. And then one of the sections that I love is the summary section. Not all law firms provide this. We tend to provide it, which I think can be very helpful. Talks about some of the core provisions and paragraphs of your trust. And then it'll talk about your wills and durable and medical power of attorney. And then you get to actually summary of the agents. So who are the backup trustees? So for easy reference, you can kind of look here and say, who did I name for each of these? Okay, there it is. And for the summary client information, what information do we have on file for you? Who are the family members? What are the trust dates, etc. So stop that share. So this is just a wonderful way that we have found to review these documents efficiently, effectively, make changes on the fly, make sure you understand the document, the core provisions especially, and then you'll be ready to come in for the signing meeting. Have a wonderful day. We look forward to talking to you real soon.